right. What's up, guys? So I figured today I would just make a quick video on a couple things, a play that I'm going to be watching for tomorrow, plus a type of strategy that you guys have been asking me about, and it's probably my favorite strategy as of right now. It's that 52-week high pullback strat that I talk about a lot in my newsletter and just like in the groups and just like stuff like that. So I'm going to go over that quickly. So it involves a pullback from certain levels, a certain 52-week high level that it hit. So as you can see, this is one. This is an example of one that I played a little bit ago. Actually, I sold it today. It was ADMP, Adamas Pharmaceuticals, and as we can see, they really ramped up this to this 52-week high of 2.3 a while ago, and then they kind of came back down, and they found support at this middle Bollinger Band, and that's where I entered. I entered at like 1. I think I entered at like 103, 104, something like that, and I got out at 140 today, which was my price target. And as you can see, basically what you need is you need a stock to hit a 52-week high, pull back to some kind of support level. So for me, that was the middle Bollinger Band plus this. As you can see here, there's this kind of uh, support turned into resistance right here, or resistance turned into support, I should say. And it really bounced off of that, and that's when I took a position and entered. So that gave me like 50%, which was really nice. Um, that's one I played. I played Vaxart today as well, VXRT. Here we saw another 52-week high. It ran up massively to 24.90, and then came back down, touched support levels at the 50-day moving average, and I got in, and I made 20% on that today. So that's a really good one. Here you can even see you can use it on the 4 hour. It touched the 200-day moving average, and you had a little bit of a MACD cross, so that was my signal to buy in. Another one is ITRM. Um, Played this one. I sold this one too early, but what I liked was uh, it wasn't. This one wasn't a 52-week high, but it was a kind of a high pullback play. We pushed up a lot and then came back down to the support level of the 200-day moving average, and I bought in at like 1.4. I sold at 1.7. I could have sold for a lot more today for like two and a half. That was good. This wasn't a 52-week high pullback, but it was a pullback play. Another 52-week high pullback play that I did a while ago was Land's End. Not this one, Land's End. This one was really good. They hit a 52-week high a while back, right here, and they pulled back. And my signal was the 50-day moving average. So I bought in here and I wrote it up to here. I think I missed out on a couple of gains, but that was another one. I think I went from like 18 to 22 or something like that. That was a really good gain. But again, it's really just watching a stock hit a 52-week high, waiting for a pullback to a certain level of support, right? That was for me the 50-day moving average, and then buying that support level and then waiting for it to go up. A good way to find these is with Finviz. You can just go to finviz.com, type in, go to the screener, and then look for the 50-day high low, and then you can do either like 5% or more below high 52. Oh no, this is 50-day high. Sorry, 52-week high low. Here it is. Um, you do like 5% more below or more below the 52-week high, and then look at these, wait for them to hit support. Just pick one. I don't know. You can scan for like if you want it under $20, if you want some like over a million volume. This is the best way to look for that. You look for 15% or more below high, 20% or more. It's really just going through these. You don't have to look at all 98. You just find one or two and pick them, and if they look good, you just play them. It's really that easy. So here's one that I was looking at in terms of this 52-week high pullback. This is CMCM Cheetah Mobile, and as you can see, they ran up a ton from around $2 to $5, and you can see that we have we jumped up, we hit this new 52-week high, we pulled back a little bit, but we have support at this level. You can see some old resistance. If we can hold here, I would definitely enter a position. I could maybe see a pump back up to 3.5. If not more, maybe like 375. That's a great example of a 52-week high pullback play that could be in effect. I like the levels it's at right now. The 4 hour does look good as well. We're hitting the middle Bollinger Band. That would be another sign of potential, some kind of potential support. So this is one I would probably enter tomorrow. It looks really good. Um, but yeah, I would keep this one on watch. I would just look for more of those 52-week high pullbacks. They're really key right now. It's probably my favorite strategy. But whatever works for you, do you. I'm not going to tell you what to do. So yeah.